every week, a new tool promises to save us time, automate our work, or 10x our productivity. But somehow we still feel tired, scattered, and behind. We have a project management tool, chat tool, AI tool, data tool, tools for managing tools. But the real question is, are we working smart or just drawing in dashboard? Being busy is not the same as being productive. Most of us are being busy, not being productive. Digital marketers are the biggest victim of shining tools syndrome. We sign up for 7 days trial, jump between dashboards and feel productive because something feels new. But in reality, we are layering noise on the top of complexity. There was a phase where I used Notion for strategies, Trello for task management, Asana for client update, Slack plus WhatsApp plus email for communication, Google Sheets plus Airtable for campaign tracking. And guess what? I was spending more time updating tools than executing work. That's where I discovered the philosophy of digital minimalism. Let's go deeper than the surface level definition. Digital minimalism isn't just about using fewer apps, it's about returning to intentional work. It's a discipline of asking why I am using this, what value this adds to my life of work, and then being brave enough to eliminate what doesn't pass the test. The root of digital minimalism is the belief that our minds, like our calendar, have limited space, and every tab, every tool, every page is taking up a bit of that space. Carl Newport, who coined the term, defined it as a philosophy of technology use in which you focus on your online time on a small number of carefully selected and optimized activity that strongly support the thing you value. Let's pause there. The thing you value. Again, let's say the thing you value. Not the trend, not the hacks, not the tool of the week on product hack. It's about aligning your tool with the value. For me, that means deep creative works instead of shallow automation. Fewer dashboard and more decision making. Knowing where everything is without having to remember it all. And for us marketer, it's about choosing tools that serve your system, not your ego. Help you create, not just organize. Simplify, not complicate. Marketing is high stimulus by default. Campaigns need speed. Clients expect updates. Platforms keep changing their algorithm. Without minimalism, you end up reacting all day instead of creating anything meaningful. When was the last time a new tool actually saved your time in long term? Ask yourself. For most of us, the answer is rarely. The real problem, we don't have a tech problem. We have a boundary problem. Here's my current stack and why I trim it down. Notion for knowledge management, strategy, and content pipeline. Google Calendar for time blocking. Google Sheet for campaign tracking. WhatsApp and email for communication, but limited to check-in slots. ChatGPT for ideation, campaign analysis, and everything else. That's it. I removed Trello, duplicate with Notion, Slack, too noisy. Airtable, too complex for my current use. Multiple AI to ChatGPT. Now what's the result? Fewer notification, one driver to rule my day, more time creating than configuring. Number one, the audit discipline. Every tool must prove its place. Every 3 months I ask, did this tool make me faster? Did it reduce my mental load? Is it solving a real problem or is it a shiny distraction? Rule number 2, all important information must live in one place. For me, that's Notion. If a task, brief, idea or insight isn't in Notion, it's lost. This forces consistency. The third and final law. 1 hour of a day with no tool, just thinking. I grab a notebook, stay away from screens and plans. No dashboard, just clarity. This hour is where my best strategies are born. Since practicing digital minimalism, my work has become more simpler, my day has more flow, my mind feels lighter. See, Clarity doesn't come from adding more. It comes from removing the unnecessary. You don't need 10 tools. You need one that you trust and focus to use it well. Digital minimalism isn't anti-tech. It's pro-intention. So if your mind feels clustered, your stack feels blotted and your energy is scattered, maybe it's time to choose less and do better. I post every Friday. Hit subscribe for more calm, clear and intentional marketing. We will see you again. Thank you very much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.